Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the continuation of chapter 6, continuous random variable for each probability and percent. You are one of 100 people enlisted to take part in a study to determine the percent of nurses in America with an RN or registered nurse degree. You ask nurses if they have an RN degree. The nurses answer yes or no. When age is rounded to the nearest year, though data still continues for though data becomes discrete. Births are approximately uniformly distributed between the 52 weeks of the year. They can be said to follow a uniform distribution from 1 to 53. AX. Graph the probability distribution. F. Open close parenthesis X. U. O. Find the probability that a person is born at the exact moment week 19 starts. That is fine. P X is equals to 19. P open close parenthesis 2 less than X less than 31. Find the probability that a person is born after week 40. P 12 less than X less than 28. Find the 70%. Find the minimum for upper quarter. A random number generator picks a number from 1 to 9 in a uniform manner. X. B. Graph the probability distribution. F. X. U. E. O. P. 3.5 less than X less than 7.25. G. P. Open close parenthesis X greater than 5.67. P. X greater than 5. X greater than 3. Let's find the 90%. Exercise 6.5. The speed of cars passing through the intersection of Blossom Hair Road and the Almaden Expressway varies from 10 to 35 mm per hour and uniformly distribute. None of the cars travel over 35 mm through the intersection. A. X. B. X. C. Graph the probability distribution. C. D. X. U. O. What is probability that the speed of a car is most 30? What is the probability that the speed of cars between 16 and 22? B. 20 less than X less than 53. State this is probability question similar to G and H. Find the percent. This means that 90% is of the time the speed is less than 30 while passing through the intersection per minute. Find the 75% in a complete analysis. Exercise 6.6. According to a study by Dr. John McDougall of his Live-in Weight Loss program at St. Helena Hospital, the people who follow his program lose between 6 and 15 pounds a month until they approach trim body weight. Let's suppose that the weight loss is uniformly distributed. We are interested in the weight loss of a randomly selected individual following the program for 1 month. Dito, sa pag-aaral ni Dr. John McDougall, sa lahat ng tao na sumasali sa kanyang programa ay nalulos nila yung 6 or 15 pounds na timbang nila until they approach the body weight. AX, graph the probability distribution. DX, U, O, find the probability that the individual loses more than 10 pounds in a month. X. Exercise 6.7. A subway train on the red line arrives every 8 minutes. During the rush hour, we are interested in the length of time. Compute must wait for train arrive. The age of first grader on September 1 at Garden Elementary School uniformly distributed from 5.8 to 6.8 years. We randomly select one first grader from the class. AX, BX, graph the probability distribution. DF, open close parenthesis, X, EU, FO. Find the probability that she is over 6.5 years. Find the probability that between 4 and 6. Find the 70% from the age first grader on September 1 at Garden Elementary School. 6.1. The next three questions refer to the following information. The Sky train from the terminal to the rental car and long-term parking center is supposed to arrive every 8 minutes. What is the average waiting time? 0.2, 2.034, 0.7.